Kind of a bit random, but I was on my way back to the truck and I caught this out of the corner of my eye. It looks like a raven, but something's got at it. Can't tell what. You know, I can't tell by tracks. Sure, someone who's good with tracking could tell, but by feathers everywhere, all over here. Looks, it may have fallen out of the tree or was grabbed out of the tree, but that's, I'm not going to say crow. I think it's definitely raven. Here's my hand. That's a big one. I'm thinking raven. Poor thing. But, you know, circle of life. Well, well, well. Interesting score. Just saw a dead raven, and while I'm looking at it, I noticed that I got a Lombardy poplar here, but looks like it's been here a while. It's not fresh bark, it's pretty aged. That's too bad. Oh well. Maybe there's some fresher limbs around the base of the tree I can check. I don't want to miss up on. I don't want to pass up on a resource. Looks like the wind brought this one down. Oh, this is cedar. That's great firewood right there. Cedar. That bark is any good. It's running. Got a whole score of it right here. Take that to the truck. Heck. We had a big windstorm several months ago, so pass up on a resource that I could possibly utilize down the road. Maybe find a use for it somehow. Kind of wondering if that bark would work out at all. Ooh. Score! Oh yeah. A little moisture, but about it drying. Let's fix that right up. Nice. Real nice. Man, that's a prime example of the true power of nature. Just ripped that tree apart. That was a green tree when it came down. We all got excellent fire making tinder. I can just throw it in the back of the truck and make some nice kindling down the road. Real nice kindling. Should probably go get my gloves on so I don't get a nasty sliver. As I keep working, even though I just said that. So cool. Well, maybe I'll go glove up and gather some of this. Right here on the side of the road. A nice score. Well, alright. I don't think that's too bad for just a few minutes of work. I've got some wood to burn. I got two different kind of barks. I got Lombardy poplar here. Just a little bit of that, and I got some cedar bark. This is wet, but this feels a little drier. And I'm going to let that do its thing. Because I don't think anyone's going to break in the back of this truck and steal random bark or random pieces of wood. I'm going to check the time and maybe I'll go up the road a little bit, see what's up there, and then go from there. Alright.